Today, we are testing another practical attachment for mini excavators, the MMS Soil Loosening Tool. This attachment uses a quick coupler system, allowing operators to connect the tool efficiently without complicated procedures. After locking the attachment into position, the fixing bolt is tightened to secure the movable locking mechanism of the quick coupler. This step is important because a properly secured connection ensures the attachment stays stable during operation. The soil loosening tool is designed with a simple and durable structure. Compared with a standard bucket, this type of attachment focuses on breaking compacted soil and preparing the ground for further work. For operators, one advantage of compact equipment is flexibility. The machine can be transported easily, moved into smaller working areas, and quickly adapted to different attachments. Now let's move into the operator's perspective and begin the test. During the first test, we operate the excavator in an open working area. The goal is to see how the attachment performs during actual ground penetration. The curved tooth design helps concentrate the digging force into a smaller contact area, allowing the attachment to break through harder surfaces more effectively. Unlike a bucket that carries material, a soil loosening tool is designed to penetrate, loosen, and prepare the ground. This makes it useful for applications such as landscaping preparation, farmland maintenance, trench preparation, and areas where soil has become compacted. Now we switch to a first-person view to experience the operation from the driver's position. During repeated digging movements, the operator can clearly control the attachment position and working depth. For compact excavators, operator control and attachment response are both important. A good attachment should not only be strong enough to break soil, but also predictable and easy to control. The biggest advantage of a soil loosening tool is that it expands what a mini excavator can do. Instead of being limited to standard digging tasks, one machine can handle more preparation and land improvement work by changing attachments. This is the MMS Soil Loosening Tool test. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next equipment review.